As building efficiency is improved with insulation, house wraps, and weather stripping, homes are made more airtight, which means the moisture cannot escape as easily. To ensure your home has a source of fresh air, a heat recovery ventilation system, or HRV, has been installed in your home to exchange the stale, moist air inside your home with dry, fresh air from outside. Before introducing this fresh air, it is heated so heat loss is minimized. Your HRV system can help remove air pollutants, unwanted odors, and will help regulate the humidity level in your home. The main control for your HRV is located next to your thermostat. How you set the humidity level depends on your lifestyle, but a normal setting for humidity is between 35 to 40%. If, for example, you set your humidity level at 40%, the HRV will allow the humidity level to rise to about 40%. If the humidity level rises above 40%, the HRV will automatically turn on and exchange the moist air with dry, fresh air from the outside until the humidity level is once again below 40%. In the winter season, during very cold days, you may notice that you have condensation on the bottom of your windows. To help with this problem, simply turn the humidity control down so that it will run longer. Please note that if you have blinds installed, they should be closed at night and open during the day. This increases air movement to the glass to help prevent condensation. In addition to the main setting of your HRV system, there is an on-off switch located in each bathroom, as well as in the kitchen. These switches are typically on a timer of 40 minutes, which should be enough time to remove humidity from showering or cooking or any unwanted odors. The HRV unit itself is found in your mechanical room suspended from your basement ceiling. With the fresh air it brings from outside, it also brings dust, bugs, and other pollutants. Because of this, it requires maintenance and cleaning. To service the system, just unplug the unit, open up the handles, slide out the large square filter, as well as the screens on either side, and rinse in the tub, or with a garden hose. Strip dry and reinstall. This should be done every 6 months in the spring and fall. Your HRV is designed to keep you and your home healthy, so maintenance is a necessary homeowner responsibility. If you have further questions about your HRV system, please contact your warranty coordinator today. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. You can find more videos like this in the home care section of our website.